Hey guys, what's up? It is Landing Gamer here / Ultimate Pig, and today we would be playing Duck Life. I don't know what's happening right now. Guys, I need your help. Okay, here we go. So, guys, you could go onto Thomas's channel and just read this. So I don't want to read it because I just want to skip to the good part. Okay, guys, let's do this. Let's eat something. Let's eat some seeds. Guys, yes, I'm eating some seeds. Eat some seeds. Eat some seeds. Guys, I'm eating some seeds. Now let's train swimming. I know how to train swimming. I played this before. Okay, guys. So, go under. Go. Guys, I think my music's turned. I think the music's turned on. Jump! Guys, I'm going to be a really good duck swimmer. It's lagging, guys. I'm gonna be a very good duck swimmer. Dang it! What's happening? Oh, that's what's happening. Guys, like always, comment down below which Poke game you want me to play next. All you have to do is go type in Poke and then go to all free games and also look at all the games and pick one, and you have to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see if you subscribe, and I'll leave a love picture, a love thing on yours. You know what I mean, right, guys? So then you guys could and then you guys know that I'm picking yours. And also, guys, comment down below right now what do you like best? Train swimming, train flying, train running? Which one do you like the best, guys? In number 2, my best one is climbing, but this one doesn't have climbing. So, get under. Stop this. Yes! Guys, I'm trying to do this, and this might be very hard. And after this, I'm going to go do oh, no, stop that. After this, guys, I'm going to go do a swimming race to see if they could beat me. Stop. Jump! Oh, dang it. Menu. Enter race. Green Valley. No, I'm running. I'm really slow of running. No, menu, guys. Enter race. No, menu. So, guys, surprisingly, the last one is the swimming one. Oh, I get it now, shallow lake. So we jump once, maybe twice, and then we go swimming. Who's faster? Okay. Guys, I'm going to get in last place. No! Oh, my energy! I need energy. Okay, guys, here's the music. Shop. Ultra Seed. Oh, we could only get one Ultra Seed. Let's get one Ultra Seed and one normal seed. Oh, he loves Ultra Seeds. Okay, guys, I'll train running a little bit, so I'll do a running race. Okay, guys, I open darkness, my old friend. Okay, guys, I'm training running, so let's do this. It's lagging, guys. Come on, hurry up. Oof! Okay, guys, I think we could complete this. And guys, I turned on the music, and yesterday was my birthday, and also comment down below. And also comment down below if you want to, and also comment down below. I forgot to tell you this, guys. Also say that happy birthday, Landon. It's your birthday. You're 8 years old. Yep, I'm 8 years old, guys. I just told you. T-Mom and Friends is only 7. He's going to turn 8 in 1 year. No, not in 1 year. I mean 1 month. So after this video, don't forget to check out Thomas's channel and check out the quiz, because that's when my official oh my gosh, my real birthday was yesterday. So I could just start training, and I could oof. Guys, I don't like that he runs so slow. Hurry up, bro. No. Oh, I didn't mean to do this. Just die, okay? Spinosaurus. Retry. No! Okay, that's it. Keep jumping. Keep jumping. Keep jumping. Eventually you have to get tired, right? Jump! Jump! Oof! Okay, guys, my new train flying. I love flying, guys. What? What's happening? Guys, I know how to fly. Do I? What? It isn't working. Oh, guys, I know how to fly. You have to click and also hold this, and then it's easier. I need to get lots of coins for my party. Why can't they just get coins and build a new farm? Right, guys? Oh, guys, and also Connor would surprisingly be one of my videos. But you know Connor, right, guys? He is the guy in Duck Life at T-Mom and Friends place. So I need to try and fly. Oh my gosh, imagine being this bird, guys, flying just like this. Whee! Oh! Guys. No, do a front flip. Okay, you can't do a front flip like some birds. Guys, and also comment down below, what's your favorite type of bird? Mine is kind of obvious. Mine is a, what's it called again? A falcon. Yep, my favorite type of bird is a falcon. I really like this music, guys. I need a train flying. Oh, guys, sorry, my baby sister isn't joined with me. Well, she's a toddler, not a baby. T-Mom and Friends isn't joined with me. Oh, guys, and don't forget to check out Cooper's channel. What's happening, guys? Stop. I'm level 9. I think level 11 could do good. So 2 more. Guys. And remember, I am gonna get that face that face thing tomorrow. So if you want to see what my proper face is, if you haven't gone to Tea Mom and Friends channel, well, you have to wait. Oh my gosh, guys, this duck is insane. / bird. Okay, I bet I could do this. Let's go to shop. I want to turn brown. I'm gonna get an orchard seed and a lot of seeds. 1 orchard seed and a lot of seeds. Eat this, please. Now come eat this one. Oh, okay, guys. I'll see you when he eats all of the seeds. Okay, guys. I ate all of the seeds. So, and then I'm gonna enter a race of flying. Enter race. Cross this. Oh, guys. I'm actually doing pretty good. Come on. Yes! Guys, I hope my energy doesn't run out. You can do this, no matter if they're faster than you or you are faster than them. No, I was in second. You came second. I'm so close, guys. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, like, comment, and subscribe. And same if you're new. And let's do a tournament, guys. I know I'm not going to do well, but let's just do one. Well. This would not go good. My energy's going to run out at some point. Guys, help me. Oh, I'm a really fast swimmer, guys. I think I'm the best at swimming. Oh my gosh, these people are so annoying. Now I have to fly. My energy's gonna run out like when I'm flying. I want to see what it... Oh. Okay, guys, this is for real. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what your favorite dinosaur is. Comment down below. And also leave a thumbs up. Bye, guys! It's my birthday. Don't forget.